In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all my emails in Outlook Inbox. If your inbox feels incomplete or split into different sections, you're likely seeing Outlook's focused inbox at work. This feature separates messages into focused and other to highlight what Outlook thinks matters most. Helpful sometimes, but if you prefer a single, comprehensive view of everything, I'll show you how to switch it off in the web version of Outlook so all your emails appear together. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. This takes you to Outlook on the web. Once you're in your mailbox, we'll move straight into your settings to adjust how messages are displayed. Look to the top right corner of the Outlook window and click the small gear icon. That opens the Settings panel. This panel gives you quick access to how your inbox behaves and looks. We're going a bit deeper than the quick toggles, so next, choose Mail. This opens the full settings area for your mailbox. Within Mail settings, find the section labeled Focused Inbox. You'll usually see it under Layout. Focused Inbox is the setting that splits your messages into focused and other. To show everything in one place, select the option that says, Don't sort my messages. This tells Outlook to stop separating your mail into two tabs and to keep all messages in a single inbox view. After selecting Don't Sort My Messages, make sure you click Save. Saving applies the change immediately. You can close the Settings panel once it confirms the update. Head back to your inbox, and you should now see every email together without the Focused and Other tabs. This makes it easier to scan your entire mailbox, search broadly, and avoid missing messages that might have been tucked away in the Other tab. A few quick tips to finish up. If anything still looks missing, check the filter menu above your message list and set it to All, not just Unread or Mentions. Also, scan other folders like Junk Email, Archive, and Deleted Items in case rules or cleanup actions moved messages. If you later decide you liked the separation, repeat these steps and switch. Focused Inbox back on. You're in control of how your inbox is organized. That's it. You've turned off Focused Inbox and enabled a unified view so you can see all your emails in one place. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Outlook inbox.